sit. I'm going to do one more time. Okay, ready? Gracie, look at Mama. Great. Okay. Good girl. And best dog in the world. Don't move. Good job. Lay down. Such a good girl. You stay right there and you're working Gracie, right? You're such a good dog working Gracie. Hey everyone, welcome back to HGTV Handmade.
Hi, Gracie. She's a good girl.
Work with me. Here, come here. Sit. Good dog, stay. Looking, who's a good dog? Who's a good dog? Milo, look at Mama. Really? Okay, behave. Stay, we're working, okay? We're working, good girl. We're working, you're such a good girl, Gracie, right? Hey everyone. Good girl, Gracie. Be sure to I think she's judging me.
An ET yawning right there.
Reese sure is excited. She's beside herself.